Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable text frame option in InDesign. So let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software, then open your InDesign document. Now I am already open my document. Now I am enable text frame option in InDesign. Now firstly, select your text. Now I am select my text and go to the object and sorry go select the object and you can see here are the text frame option. Now click this. Now here are the text frame option. You can in case number, gather, white, top, bottom easily. Here are align top, center, bottom, justify. Now you can see enable text frame option in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.